Yeah, I kind of see it.
It's kind of small.
Doesn't.
It doesn't really pop.
It's because there's no color in it. It's all dark.
Yeah. Maybe I'll put some blood splatter in the back or
Something.
Yeah, I can remake that.
Look, I mean, even Bob says it's like, whatever you guys are doing with thumbnails is fucking impressive. I'm like, that's all Ken. He's fucking nailing the shit. You know? I mean, it's all you, man.
Cleaning up the world with bacteria.
With poop.
What's that?
With poop.
Nope, no poop. No poop involved.
There should always be poop involved. The fact of life.
We're gentlemen. We're gentlemen right now.
Speak for yourself.
Filthy animal.
Dirty motherfuckers. Anyway. Alright, ready to go. Oh, by the way, I know I told you this last night, but that research I had to do was so fucking depressing. So depressing.
Alright.
Just throwing it out there.
We have thoroughly depressed guy today.
I might have to jump off my roof.
Just make sure you bring the energy.
I'm not sure I have it, to be honest. But I will do my best. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Alright, let's go.
This is off topic.
Is that a particular field or job?
This is off topic. I do not remember what these balls are called, but I don't know if you've ever seen the big black balls they put in water reservoirs to block the sunlight from coming in.
No, I have not.
So algae needs, first of all, it needs its nutrients, but it also needs sunlight to grow. So if you see these giant reservoirs and they have big black balls in them that lays across the top of the water, I know what you're thinking. Anyways, it blocks the sunlight so that the algae doesn't bloom and poison the water.
I bet it does block the sunlight.
So, give me a sec.
So,
these, man, I'm having trouble getting through this.
Fucked up.
Yeah, you're not helping me either. All right.
Yes! Victory is mine! Once again.
Starting again.
Go on. Use your words.
That did not go well. How many Florida man stories you got?
Let's get through financial, then we'll discuss it.
Yeah, we'll have to. I want to make sure we're not crossing paths here on some of these.
Well, I mean, it doesn't matter. Look, if it gets brought up, I'll realize that, okay, we already talked about that one.
Right.
Or, hopefully you do the same.
I'm actually gonna try to do this in a different way where I'm not gonna just straight out report it.
Either way.
I'm gonna try to do like an intro for each one and then.
Okay. Hey, look, I mean, let's get through financial first.
All right. You got like a little. Did you change the music on the end clip?
Fuck you. You're the only one who doesn't like it.
It's not that I don't like it, it's that I find it completely annoying, the end music.
Maybe I think you're completely annoying.
I don't care.
But I still tolerate you nonetheless.
Well, you keep on. You haven't told me not to come back yet, so.
Yeah. Did you send me a fucking thumbnail for that fucking stem from 2 weeks ago?
I don't even know what the story is
I
about.
don't remember.
Um,
I can tell you afterwards. I don't remember seeing one. That's the only reason I asked. Oh no, bacteria.
oh yeah, I did get it, but I didn't see it.
You didn't send it? Okay, fair enough. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
No.
I try to slip.
Not with your phone and your vape in your hand.
Shit off your hard drives. I would say that you should probably not shit on your hard drives anymore.
You know my hard drive? What? I'm confused by that statement.
You said you're trying to get shit off your hard drives.
Now I have 3 more.
Try to get shit off my hard drives.
Oh no, that's on the laptop.
Oh, okay.
I still have like 6 or 7 episodes of behind the scenes on the fucking laptop.
Okay.
Trying to get everything centralized over here.
Gotcha.
That's the goal. That is the goal.
And then your laptop can be for porn only.
I don't know, man. I mean, yeah. You really want to know? Probably not. But
Yeah, probably not.
guess what? I'm telling you anyway.
What?
It just doesn't work anymore.
Oh, the laptop?
No,
It's done?
it's done.
Oh, I thought you were talking about
It's done. This fucking medicine doctor got me on. I go back on the 26th, I think, but it's got to change that shit. Don't work.
Did you tell the doctor?
That's like I said. I told him last time. He was like, "Well, just see what happens." Nothing happens. Nothing at all.
All right.
There we go. Depressing way to start what should be a good episode of the Bangcast. Ready? Oh yeah, I hit the record button. Okay, we got that on there.
All right.
Everyone can know how my joint doesn't work anymore. Don't care.
That's a challenge, people. Get his junk to work.
Thank you. Ladies, drop that shit down in the comments. Show me some pictures. Okay. Woo! All right.
I bet you're gonna get a whole bunch more dicks than fucking hits.
This is not going to help things. Anyway. All right, here we go.
Time to cut right there. I got fucking piss really good.
Jesus.
I drank a lot of water last night.
Why? Yes, it does.
Come from the sky.
No, it doesn't.
You were talking about South Park. I think you're done talking about the South Park episode with Corey.
Yeah, I was pretty much done there. You fucking kind of broke my momentum.
My bad. My momentum was broken because I was about to piss myself.
You should have just pissed yourself. At least we would have gotten it on camera. That would have been a viral video. I'd have to throw that chair away, but I got another one.
Alright. Well, we need to replace this whole fucking thing anyways.
Motherfucker, all you gotta do is buy another chair.
Yeah, I know. Well, no, it's not about the chair. I want like a table and then sit up higher on it.